Hi all, this is Subramayam here. I'm an senior technology architect at Capgemini. I'm an AWS certified solution architect professional, also an AWS certified DevOps engineer professional. Today I'll be talking about AWS Free Tier account, how you will be able to create and how you can utilize that. So and all that we will be going through today. Let me go to my Chrome browser, search for AWS Free Tier. So you can see set of URLs. You can click on this URL. Okay. So you can see here as AWS free tier, and you can click on this to create a free account. You can create this free tier account and get hands-on experience on the AWS platform and its products and services and all that. So this will be for 12 months free actually. So this free account includes these many things like compute. So compute will be an Amazon EC2 which will be of 750 hours, and storage which is like AWS S3 which is of 5 GB usage and all that. If you need details related to this, you can mouse over here. You can see the details of that. 5 GB of standard storage, 20,000 get requests, 2000 put requests and all that. If you need further details related to this, you can click on this. So you can see the details about Amazon S3. Okay. Similarly, there are different services available under Amazon like compute, storage, databases. So there are some limits for the free tier. Okay, so you can see the limits of this here. Similarly, there are details about a database, machine learning, compute. You can click on each of these things and you can get more details. Compute, security, identity and compliance, mobile, and there are multiple AWS services here. You can go to the next page and check few more things. Oh, this is the Amazon CloudWatch. You can see the limitations of this Amazon CloudWatch in the free tier. So these are the limitations of this. Okay. So if this um, free capacity exceeds, you will be chargeable under that. Mobile, desktop, and app streaming. Okay, business productivity and all that. So these are all the different services which you can use for under Amazon free tier, AWS free tier. Okay. Now let me log into my AWS free tier account and show how the services will be. This is the URL for visiting Amazon console, AWS console. Click on this, sign into the console. Okay, I'm successfully able to log into my AWS console. Actually, I saved my credentials in the Chrome browser, so due to that, it has not asked me to log in again. Otherwise, you will be required to give your credentials and log in. So these are all the different services that you will be able to use. And another thing is like how you will be able to register for the free tier account that I want to show you. So after you coming here aws.amazon.com/free, so then create a free tier account. Okay, so if you are a returning user, you can sign into the console directly. Click on this. You can click on here also. Otherwise, if you are creating a new account, uh, yes, I logged in into my account. It is not taking me to create a free tier account. That might be the reason. 1 minute. Let me close this windows. Otherwise, let me go to a new incognito window. Type AWS Free Tier. Click on this. Then this is this is the button you need to click for creating a free account. Okay. So to register for a free account, you will be required to click on this URL and give your email ID with which you need to register and give password and confirm password and AWS account name, any name you can give which you will be able to remember. So you can uh, hover this eye to get more information about this. After giving all these details, you can click on continue. This will create you an AWS free tier account. After you done this, go back to your inbox of your email address that you have given here. I think you will get an email containing an activate URL, something like that. You have to click on that URL. Once you click on that, your account will get activated and you will be free to use for 12 months with the limited access. Okay. That's all from me as of now. Let us catch up in the next session. Thank you all. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates from me. Thank you all. Bye.